Most people in the UK are using digital wallet apps without understanding how much money they are actually leaving on the table. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming all digital wallets do the same thing. They don't. Some are just payment tools, some are banking replacements, and a few are actually built to save you money, reduce fees, and even unlock rewards every time you spend. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, digital wallet apps in the United Kingdom are no longer just about convenience. They are part of your financial system. And if you choose the right ones, you can reduce fees, improve security, and get better control over your money without changing your lifestyle. In this video, you are going to learn the 10 best digital wallet apps in the United Kingdom for 2026. But more importantly, you will understand how each one actually works, when to use it, and how people combine them to maximize savings and rewards. Now here is something most beginners miss. There is no single perfect wallet. The real power comes from using the right app for the right situation. Let's start immediately because the first one is already used by millions across the UK every single day. Number 1 is Apple Pay. Apple Pay is one of the most widely accepted digital wallets in the United Kingdom. You can use it in supermarkets, transport systems, online stores, and almost everywhere contactless payments are accepted. But here is where most people get confused. Apple Pay itself does not give cashback or rewards. It simply processes payments securely. The rewards depend entirely on the debit or credit card linked to it. For example, Jake in London uses Apple Pay linked to his Barclays debit card. Every time he taps his phone, the payment is processed instantly. But the cashback or rewards depend on Barclays, not Apple Pay. Now here's the problem. Many users think Apple Pay is the reward system. It is not. It is just the payment layer. But here's where it gets interesting. Apple Pay is one of the most secure and fastest payment methods in the UK, especially for contactless transport like the London Underground. And in a minute, I'll show you a wallet that actually gives direct cashback without needing a traditional bank card structure. Let's move to number 2, Google Wallet. Google Wallet is the main competitor to Apple Pay in the UK, and works especially well for Android users. Just like Apple Pay, Google Wallet does not directly offer cashback or rewards. Instead, it stores your debit and credit cards and lets you pay securely using your phone. For example, Sarah in Manchester links her Lloyds and NatWest cards to Google Wallet. Every time she pays, she still earns rewards from her bank, depending on her account type. But here's the catch. Google Wallet is only as good as the cards you connect. If your bank card has no rewards, you won't magically earn anything from Google Wallet. Now here's where it gets interesting. Google Wallet allows you to switch between cards quickly, which helps you optimize spending if you have multiple reward cards. In a minute, I'll show you a UK wallet that actually gives you cashback without needing premium bank accounts. Let's move to number 3, PayPal. PayPal is one of the oldest digital payment systems in the world, but in the UK, it is still extremely relevant in 2026. The biggest advantage of PayPal is its strong online shopping protection and wide acceptance on global websites like eBay, SOS, and many subscription platforms. Now here's where it gets important. PayPal itself does not always give cashback, but it allows you to earn rewards through linked credit cards that already offer cashback or points. For example, John in Birmingham shops online using PayPal, linked to a cashback credit card. Every purchase still earns him rewards from his card provider. But here's the problem. PayPal is mainly useful for online transactions. In physical stores, it is not as dominant as Apple Pay or Google Wallet. Now here's where it gets interesting. PayPal is best used as your online safety layer, not your everyday spending wallet. Let's move to number 4, Revolut. Revolut has become one of the most popular digital finance apps in the United Kingdom, especially among young professionals and travelers. Revolut is more than a wallet. It is a full financial control app. It lets you hold multiple currencies, track spending in real time, and manage budgets. Now here's where it gets interesting. Depending on your plan, Revolut can also offer cashback on selected purchases or merchant deals. For example, Alex in London uses Revolut when traveling to Europe. He avoids currency conversion fees and tracks spending instantly in euros and pounds. But here's the catch. Some of the best features are locked behind paid plans. Now, here's the key insight. Revolut is not just a payment app. It is a financial management system for people who want full control over spending. Let's move to number 5, Monzo. Monzo is one of the most popular digital banks in the UK, and has completely changed how people manage money. Monzo offers instant spending notifications, budgeting tools, and fee-free spending abroad on certain plans. For example, Emma in Leeds uses Monzo to track her monthly budget. Every time she spends, she gets an instant notification, which helps her control expenses better. But here's the problem. Monzo is not a cashback-focused app. Its strength is financial visibility, not rewards. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users combine Monzo with other reward credit cards to get the best of both worlds. Let's move to number 6, Starling Bank. Starling Bank is another major digital bank in the UK that offers fee-free banking, strong security, and real-time spending insights. It is especially popular among freelancers and small business owners. For example, David in London uses Starling for business expenses because it separates personal and business finances easily. But here's the catch. Like Monzo, Starling is not designed for cashback rewards. It is designed for banking efficiency. Now here's where it gets interesting. Starling helps you organize money so you can use reward-based wallets more effectively. Let's move to number 7, Curve. Curve is one of the most unique digital wallet apps in the UK because it allows you to combine multiple cards into one. This means you can carry several debit and credit cards in one app and switch between them instantly after spending. For example, Mike in Glasgow uses Curve to manage his HSBC, Santander, and American Express cards in one place. But here's the problem. Curve itself does not always provide direct cashback. Its power is in optimization. Now here's where it gets interesting. Curve lets you go back in time and switch the card used for a purchase after you've already paid, depending on your plan. That feature alone makes it one of the most flexible wallet apps in the UK. Let's move to number 8, Samsung Wallet. Samsung Wallet is mainly used by Samsung smartphone users in the UK. It combines NFC payments, loyalty cards, and digital IDs into one system. Now, here's the catch. Samsung Wallet does not offer strong standalone cashback. Instead, it relies on connected bank cards and promotions. For example, users sometimes get promotional offers or discounts when using Samsung Pay partners. But here's the reality. Samsung Wallet is only powerful if you are already in the Samsung ecosystem. Let's move to number 9, Apple Card alternatives through UK credit cards. Now Apple Card itself is not available in the UK, but users replicate similar benefits using reward credit cards like Amex, Barclaycard Rewards, or Santander Edge. When these are connected to Apple Pay or Google Wallet, users still earn cashback or points depending on spending categories. For example, Lisa in London uses an American Express cashback card through Apple Pay and earns consistent rewards on groceries and travel. But here's the problem. The rewards depend entirely on your credit card choice, not the wallet itself. Now here's where it gets interesting. In the UK, your wallet is only as powerful as your bank strategy. Finally, number 10, Zettle by PayPal. Zettle is widely used in the UK by small businesses and freelancers. It allows businesses to accept card payments easily using mobile devices or card readers. Now here's the key point. Zettle is not a consumer cashback app. It is a business payment tool. For example, small shop owners in London use Zettle to accept payments without expensive card terminals. But here's the benefit. It reduces business costs and improves payment flexibility. Now let's bring everything together because this is where most people finally understand the real system. There is no single best digital wallet app in the United Kingdom. Each one serves a different purpose. Apple Pay is best for fast everyday payments. Google Wallet is best for Android users and card flexibility. PayPal is best for online shopping protection. Revolut is best for travel and multi-currency spending. Monzo is best for budgeting and spending control. Starling Bank is best for business banking. Curve is best for combining multiple cards. Samsung Wallet is best for Samsung users. Reward credit cards through Apple Pay or Google Wallet, are best for cashback. Zettle is best for business payments. But here is the biggest mistake people make. They try to use one app for everything. That is exactly why they lose financial efficiency and miss savings opportunities. Now, here's the smart strategy in 2026. Use Apple Pay or Google Wallet for daily spending. Use PayPal for online shopping. Use Revolut for travel and currency management. Use Monzo or Starling for budgeting. Use Curve to combine cards and optimize spending. Use cashback credit cards wherever possible. This is how smart users in the UK build a full financial system instead of relying on one wallet. And here's the final insight most people never realize. Digital wallets are not about replacing cash. They are about controlling how your money moves, how secure it is, and how efficiently you use it. Every fee avoided and every reward earned adds up significantly over time. Now let's quickly summarize. Apple Pay and Google Wallet offer convenience. PayPal offers online protection. Revolut offers global spending control. Monzo and Starling offer budgeting. Curve offers card optimization. Samsung Wallet offers ecosystem convenience. Credit cards provide the real cashback layer. Zettle supports business payments. If you combine them correctly, you are not just using apps anymore. You are building a full digital financial system. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment your favorite wallet in the UK, and subscribe, because the next video will show you how people are stacking credit cards and digital wallets to maximize cashback legally without changing their lifestyle.